And lately it ain't been no kisses, you don't even hug me. Why you judge me? 'Cause you're just.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. But anyways, I'm about to show you guys how to get the iPhone intro that y'all been asking for, and I'm about to do it for y'all because period. Let's get started. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna show you the whole thing, like the whole thing with the pinning and all of it. So on layer 1, you're gonna want the picture that you're gonna use, picture or video. It'll work for either one. And you're gonna search in or find review, and you're gonna type center vertical. Scroll all the way down and go to layer effect and tap on the arrow in the circle and do this. Okay, and if you guys, I will post this this overlay at the end below, so you guys can have it if you need. Period, because I'm nice like that. Alright, so you want to go to color, and we're gonna type in blue BG. So the black background will just show the sparkle. Now with layer 3, you want to tap on 3D object, and you have free 3D object, and you have iPhone, and you can choose the iPad, the regular iPhone, or any of the iPhones here. Okay, so I'm going with this one, and you want to tap on layer 4, and these will pop up, and you will tap add mask, and go to shape, hit the 3 dots, and go all the way down, and you will see this one. Now you want to line it up with the iPhone. Alright. Now you want to hit this over here and hit add master and this 3 and 4. Now you want to just follow along with me on this. And I'm gonna give y'all guys the graphs at the end. Yep, these are my graphs here, and you better just put it. But you guys can recreate my graphs. I'll show you how they look. This is the out for like zoom outs, and for the in, this is how they look. Like so yeah, so they be. Now for the pinning. Go to the end and tap on path in the down arrow and space out, and then do it again. Then go to the end right here. So it'd be here. And you could add like, you could like tilt the iPhone if you want to. That's up to you guys. So oh god, so pretty. I need to fix this photo in here though. Okay, so now you want to go layer 5, color in black, add a keyframe, and go to the end and change the opacity to 0. So, and use that one. So it'll be like this. And I need to save this as QR code because I don't want to keep creating this all the time. And if you guys want this QR code, I'll put it in. What? That's all I cannot like. So. Alright, so create and you have your intro.
Lately ain't even no kisses, you don't even hug me. Why you not judging me? Cause you're just
Period. But anyway, I just wanna say thanks for the 7 subscribers. Let's continue to grow this channel and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share. And comment some more things y'all should do on this channel. So bye.